Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're talking Tesla Model Y orders. I ordered one back in August 2021, Tesla Model Y. And when I placed the order, I was expected to have a January delivery date. That was what was expected. Alright. So we get into end of November, and I start on your Tesla account. You can go in and you can actually just see when it's going to be delivered. They give you usually like a 2, 3, 4 week range of your expected delivery. With my car, no joke, guys, it's probably changed 12 times since I ordered my car. The first estimate was January. As we started getting closer to January, like middle to end of November, it gave me a first couple weeks in December. Then it was middle of December. Then it changed to the end of December. Then it changed to the 1st of January, middle of January. I mean, it's gone on and on and on. Every time I've gotten to that window, it's just simply changed every time. Today's the last day of February. February 28th is today. I go into my Tesla account and it shows it's going to be delivered, let me look here, March 8th to March 31st. So when I get to March 8th, it's going to show, March 15th, or it just keeps getting pushed back and pushed back and pushed back. Now, I didn't order anything crazy. Mine is actually just the Tesla Model Y long range. It has the 7-seat interior, the black paint, 20-inch wheels, and the tow hitch. So it's got some options on it. But I guess kind of the frustrating part is, Tesla's trying to get this Texas Gigafactory, their Texas factory up and going to build these Model Ys. And they're still just in the infancy of getting cars built there. And I'm assuming that the delays in the cars, my car specifically, is that they're trying to ramp up production there, which I can see. But I've also heard that out of the Tesla factory in Texas, they're building a new battery pack structure, the 4680 battery cells with a structural battery pack, improved and better wiring throughout the car that could have a potential increase in range in the future. So, if there's going to be an improvement to what I ordered, I'm fine with having to wait this long. However, just having wait, I'll probably have waited 7 months since I've ordered this. If you order a standard range, like long range Model Y, which is the lowest cost one you can get, or a standard range 3, you're going to wait. Like, you are not a priority to Tesla if you order their base level. If I had ordered a Tesla Model S Plaid, a Plaid X, Performance Y, a higher cost version or higher price car, I would have already had it by now. Tesla seems like they give priority to their higher cost vehicles, which, obviously they're a business. They have shareholders to satisfy, and they want to increase their earnings, profitability. So that makes sense, but as a car buyer, it just is a frustrating process because the waiting process has just been quite the waiting game. And the fact that this time frame has just changed so much is super frustrating. Thankfully, we have 2 vehicles right now, and I don't need the car. I'm not like in desperate need of it. We have 2 cars, but my wife's driving. I have a truck and a Tesla Model S that I'm driving now, and we're making that work, which is fine. But I sold my Tesla Model X. My wife had a Tesla Model X 2016. I've talked about that on the channel before. I'll leave a link to the playlist on that vehicle. But we sold it the end of December because we were expecting delivery like middle to end of December and January at the latest, and now we're in tomorrow's March, so it's going to be March. And so know that going in. If you're ordering a Tesla Model Y, now I think I just ordered probably at the worst time possible. Now, at least I got the better pricing. Like in October, they increased the price. November, the price has gone up. So I got at least the better pricing. So the car that I ordered right now, if I was to order it right now with the configurator tool, it'd be close to $5,000 more, which is a big difference. So I am getting I locked in my August pricing, which is good. But as far as time frame with Tesla delivering these cars, it's kind of like worst case scenario for me because Tesla's trying to ramp up production at their factory in Texas, and they're delaying deliveries, and I keep getting pushed out. So as far as delivery time frames, it's kind of worst case scenario for me. So I guess we'll see what happens going forward. I'm going to update the video as we get closer. We'll update the channel as we get closer. So we're excited to take delivery of the Model Y. It's just been a very long process. We're more than 2 months delayed at this point from when it was originally expected. We ordered August. We're not going to get it. Hopefully, we get it in March. I mean, March is the end of the quarter, the first quarter. Hopefully, Tesla makes a big push and tries to get these out this month. That was said on their earnings call. They're going to try to get these Model Ys out of Texas ramped up in March by the end of the first quarter. So hopefully that happens. But I guess we'll see. I mean, it's been delayed this much. It wouldn't surprise me if I don't get it in April. I mean, it really wouldn't surprise me. I hope that's not the case. We really would like to be able to start using the vehicle right away. Anyways, guys, stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Turn on your notifications for new videos, because I'm gonna update this as we get closer to delivery date and go through the actual process of, you know, when we get notification, the delivery, all, you know, full process of taking delivery, paying for the vehicle and everything. So we'll go through that. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.